Hi, I am futurist Amelia Kallman. Welcome to issue number 40 of The Big Reveal. Great to see you here. Thank you so much for joining me. This will be the last episode of The Big Reveal for 2021, but I will be back in January 2022. Be sure to check out the latest videos on my YouTube channel as well as the latest episodes of XR Star. Without further ado, let's get started. UDOO Key. So this is a mini controller that allows anyone to create an AI system at home. Essentially, it is a mini computing and processing device that includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and an extensible AI and IoT platform. So this means that you can now make any object smart and connected. So at home or in the office, this can be great for predictive maintenance, facial and gesture recognition, keyword activation, object detection, and more. Emplobot. Emplobot automates the recruitment process. This software guides candidates through 3 interactive modules, starting from the initial contact all the way through to the interview. And then it creates a candidate profile and matches people with jobs. For the prospective employers, they have a personalized and customized dashboard where they can monitor the progress. They hope that this will accelerate the recruitment process and save human resources, time, and money. The Giant. The Giant is planned to become the world's tallest moving digital statue. 10 stories tall, its skin is LED digital displays, so this offers a really unique billboard opportunity. You can also map visitors' bodies onto the Giant so that you can have the ultimate selfie experience. Inside the Giant is real estate, so they will have opportunities for theaters and museums, retail and dining spaces, and they hope to have 21 Giants in 21 cities. Syntho. So many companies face hurdles when it comes to data due to privacy and security concerns, but Syntho has a solution. They take real data and put it through the Syntho AI engine to create a synthetic version of the data that can then be used for testing as well as predictive analytics. So this offers companies a secure and easy way to utilize large data sets and turns privacy by design into a competitive advantage. MIT researchers are incorporating social interactions into a robotics framework. They are trying to teach machines to understand what it means to help or hinder one another. So in a simulated environment, one robot watches another bot try to complete a task, and it has to guess what task it is trying to enact, and then decide if it is going to help or hinder that bot based on its own goals. The idea being that they hope that in the future, this will help to make smoother interactions between humans and robots. But it also sounds slightly terrifying. Virtway. So Virtway is a virtual events platform that is completely customizable, and it has some features that I haven't seen before in other virtual event platforms. Things like 3D voice technology that replicates distance, throw, and echo, as well as team building activities, including virtual escape rooms. It's also monetization ready, so you can customize business stands, offered sponsored advertising, as well as tiered ticketing, digital business cards, and more. So it is scalable from any device. It can host up to 500 people per collaboration space, and events range from 1,000 to 10,000 quid. CData.io. CData.io uses a combination of deceptive technology and threat intelligence to be able to spot and alert companies to data breaches fast. What it does is it inserts things that are unique and trackable records into the data and systems that can then be monitored and tracked. So they are monitoring on the surface, deep, and dark webs to see if there's any indications of exposure. And when there is, they alert their customers right away. And this can reduce the data breach dwell time from months to minutes. Following the filing of recent trademarks on virtual shoes and apparel, Nike have introduced Nikeland, a 3D space on Roblox. In this space, you can play games, create your own games, outfit your avatars, and also use your device and body in real life to influence and pull off moves inside the game. In December, Nikeland will be brought to life at Nike's New York City House of Innovation, and on the kids' floor, you'll be able to use a special Snapchat lens to see an AR version of Nikeland. REKA is a new app that offers independent designers a way to offer custom fit products to the masses. It aggregates independent designers into one shoppable stream, and it also features an AI-crafted virtual tailor, which means that anything you order is custom fit to you. It does this through your camera on your phone by scanning your body in 2 positions for 5 seconds, and they really hope that this helps to cut down on returns and textile waste. Chemobots. Researchers have found a way to transport chemotherapy drugs directly to cancer cells through environmentally adaptive and shape-morphing microbots. These microbots are shaped like fish, crabs, and butterflies. They are 4D printed, and they detect high pH levels that often indicate cancer cells. And when they get there, they open up their mouth and let out the drug directly onto the cancer cells to kill them. While this is still in the proof of concept stage, and the bots will have to get even tinier and will have to be able to have a robust way of tracking them in the body, this could be a potential breakthrough when it comes to targeting cancer cells as well as reducing the side effects of chemotherapy. Thank you so much for joining me for this edition of The Big Reveal. I will see you next year. Take care.